I'm Kyle Zollo-Venecek. I co-lead the GIS work group with Andrew Williams and Robert Miller. I'll just briefly go over our purpose before jumping in. Let me just say we meet every 9 a.m. Eastern Time Fridays. You're more than welcome to join if you have a use case or think you can contribute to these goals or anything that broadly fits our purpose, which is that we support the use of place-related data in combination with clinical data to understand the impact of various geographic attributes on exposures, care delivery, and health. To do this, we create or identify the data, schemas, vocabulary, and software required to store, visualize, and analyze data on patient locations and on health-relevant social and environmental geographic attributes so that they can be used by the OHDSI tool stack in an equivalent way to healthcare data. So our goals for Q1 of 2023 are first to finalize development of the schema for the optional GIS OMOP module consisting of a universal schema for storing geospatial data. This module supports standardized query execution on a combination of place-related and person-level data using spatiotemporal relations. So our goal here is the schema has been evolving, developing for probably longer than I've been here. But we're starting to lock it down. We want to present a proposal to the OHDSI CDM work group and integrate their feedback. Once finalized, we want to solidify our documentation on schema and mechanisms for implementation. Our second goal is to expand the corpus of metadata to include new data sources. Our schema and our tooling involves metadata for publicly available data sets. We have a few in there currently. Social vulnerability index is an example. We want to create metadata for new data sets such as the child opportunity index data, area deprivation index, and the IDSR disease surveillance. And we also want to expand the functionality. Currently, we're able to automate retrieval from direct download, public sources available from direct download. We want to expand that to include API data sources. And finally, develop and test the tooling to integrate OMOP clinical data with standardized place-related data. So test querying capacity for joining place-related and person-level data by defining cohort definitions, including clinical and place-related data. We want to engage with our own stats group to create the first draft of a fully specified analytics plan, and finally explore avenues to integrate with OHDSI tooling. So that's it. Again, we meet 9 a.m. Fridays Eastern Time. Feel free to join.